Hello guys, we are going to do a mixed media art journal page today. So I am starting by gluing down some tissue paper of Dina clay just to break the blank page. And I am using fluid matte medium. And then I am using this stencil of red missing gum and the Stabilo pencil. I don't know if you know this Stabilo pencil, but it's a water-soluble pencil that is very intense, so I like a lot to use it in different ways. But one of those is like we are doing today, that it seems like you are really drawing, because in a way you are using the template but putting your style in it, right? So this is why what I want to do is just not that it's so obvious that you are using a stencil. And that line of stencils of Right Missingan, I absolutely love them. They are like abstract ones. So here is another of the same set. And I am just using acrylic paint and the jelly plate to do the impression on the page. The advantage of using the jelly plate is that you can see now that there are some mistakes, so I can really erase them. So this is a great advantage of using the jelly plate. And I have used this stamp of Dina clay together with the Stabilo pencil for the hair, and another water-soluble pencil, watercolor pencil, to paint the skin. And then I am using here the rest of the paint that was in the stencil. And I am just also using the stencil as a template to cut down this the same stripes but in the craft paper. So why I am doing that because I want to just create another layer, and I love to use collage for doing so. So we are creating the next layer with the collage, as I said, and now we are going to stamp the same stamp but just with acrylic paint. So I am using the postcard marker here, but you can use really just acrylic paint if you want, or even stamp ink and some splashes. And now I am going to do like some shapes with this tissue of Dina clay, and I am using the same circle that we used for the first layer. And I am going to cut 3 of them, but in the end I just used 2 of them. So you can really just cut down 2 if you are following along with the project. And I will do like a donut shape, right? So I am just cutting the center to have like this donut. I'm not measuring anything, you know me, I'm not measuring, just freehand. And now I am using the same stencil as before with the another watercolor pencil, water-soluble pencil, to do the same pattern, but in another color. So what I am doing here is just putting the pencil on the water, so you have more pigment, and then you have like another type of drawing, right? Because it's like watercolor. And just randomly giving some color on the page when I see that I need it. It's very subtle because it's orange, but it's there, but that's why I like it. And now we are building the next layer with these donuts that we made before, and then our focal point. And so we are finished. The only thing that I will do is just give some touches in the borders of the page with another watercolor pencil. and just to create some shadows, and that's it for today. I hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel and follow me in my social media, and see you next time, guys. Bye.